Okay, this is Bob. Instead of doing a walk and talk today, I thought I would do just all you gotta do is you gotta go out and find your little piece of grass somewhere. You look on like a truck stop motel type situation. And we're gonna do the Zen swing. Because we're gonna make it really simple. Okay? All you gotta do is you gotta rock back and forth. Keep your eyes focused on the horizon. Tongue on the roof of the mouth. Make it a meditation. We're working in, not working out. This is an energy cultivation practice. The Zen swing is my favorite because you can do this anywhere. You don't look that crazy either, so who cares? If you're building energy and they're not, you're going to have more energy. So it's about that. It's about your health. What this will do is it moves all the fluids in the body, the 4 fluids. It also works every joint in the body. Just simple rocking back and forth. Just do this 10 minutes a day. Just 10 minutes. And see what the difference is. Because what you need to heal is energy. Life force energy. This cultivates that life force energy and it moves it to every part of the body so it can get healed. So we need to do this. It's a good practice, especially after sleeping or sitting for a long period of time. You need to get up and move the body and move the fluids. This is, move the lymphatic fluid system, especially so you can get all the toxins out of your body. It's important. And it's fun. You can just sit here and rock back and forth. You can do it at the fucking checkout stand at Walmart. Who cares? Or whatever. If you're waiting in line or something, who cares where you do it? Just do it. 10 minutes a day. I'm not even timing, so I could go 10 minutes, I could go 20, but I'm just going to do it. Because, when I stay sitting too long, my body starts freezing up and it starts to hurt. And then inflammation sets in, and then I can't move. So you got to break free from that. And the way to do it are the 9 pillars of health, and start with the Zen swing. Look how simple it is. 70% of the weight goes on each foot when we move over, and it'll move every joint in the body. Look how simple. Yes, and I'm kind of crazy, so the only reason you think someone like me would be crazy because I'm giving you a different description of the world. The world is not what it appears to be. All it is a description. They pounded into us since day one. What we want to do to move magically, there's another description of the world. It's called the sorcerer's description. But in order to see it, one has to stop the world. This little Zen meditation will help you stop the world. And it gains the energy, so you'll have the energy to actually shift realities. Yeah, I'm a reality shifter. I'm telling you how to do it. It might take a little while, it might take a little practice. It takes actually unbending intent. You have to be completely committed to it. And when you start seeing, you have to start believing what you're seeing. Or just come back to the first attention. You can just live in the normal world. So, I prefer the second attention. The first attention doesn't have 2 club nickels to the second one. So, what we do is just move back and forth. Now it's getting chilly. I took my coat off. That's okay. The sun was out. It's probably going to come out again after it gets out of this cloud. There was snow on the ground this morning, so And usually, if it wasn't all wet, I would take my shoes off and get grounded to earth to do this. It's important to ground to the earth when you do it because it'll give you a boost of energy and help the practice even that much more. Just nice, gentle swing back and forth. We can go into something like 8 hands. It helps the breathing apparatus. You know, you bring your dog out. Your dog will be happy to run around while you're doing this stuff. Mine doesn't go too far. He's a good boy. He'll just stay right by me. But he likes to be outside. And he's got a big fur coat on, so he's not cold. He loves it out here. I don't know how many of these I've done. We're going to keep going. It helps the breathing apparatus. Breath is life. If you're not breathing, you're dead. You got to stay breathing. Just keep going. Just do it like 20 minutes a day for 100 consecutive days and see what the results are in your life. It's not that hard to do. It's easy to do and the results are spectacular. Don't underestimate this, the power of simplicity. All these things are simple. It's just whether you do it or not. I'm going to shake that out. Just shake it out a little bit. We get going with a stork walk. This also helps the breathing. It also places you into heightened awareness if you do it right. It changes the energetic structure of your awareness if you do this for an extended period of time. The stork walk. You think I'm kidding? I'm not fucking kidding you. This stuff is necessity. Then we could do don't spill the wine. This nice long circle. Get those shoulders worked out. The back. Get the pectoral muscles. All that. Get the energy flowing. You could do it all in a horse dance. Well, what are you doing, Baxter? No kitties. He likes to chase kitties, so I gotta watch him. So he'll go out for one. There's a bunch of kitties over in that yard, and he's caught on to them. They're kind of hiding though, because they know Baxter really is a foot. So those kitties will go hide, and they should. They'll kill a kitty. You gotta really watch him. He's a hunter. He's a wolf, so he hunts other animals. Where he came from, that's what they had to do to survive. So you can't blame him for it. Just like you're holding a glass of wine, just make a circle motion. Make sure you're getting into the kidneys. Move that energy around. Let it flow. Sometimes the slower you go, the faster the chi moves too. The faster you will cultivate energy, the slower you go. Shake that one out. We're going to do this because it's getting freezing. Just clear the field. We're sitting my phone's sitting on a Russian olive tree. It's beautiful out here, nice and cold. Cold is good for you. It strengthens the cells. So you can't do it in the cold. It is cold. Breathe out and breathe in. Cultivate your energy. You can do this as a daily routine. It only takes 10 to 20 minutes for 100 days and see what happens. I'm challenging you to do it for 100 days consecutively. I don't always do it all at once. I do it when I'm waiting for something, or if I'm waiting in line at the supermarket, or if I'm waiting in between sets at the gym. I'll do a qigong exercise in between the sets, because it's working in, not working out. We all work out, work out, work out, work out, work out, work out. You got to start working in. All right. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment. And stay tuned for some more action-packed videos. Subscribe too.